faster than anybody else, it's victory for the visitors. Far from it. Nowadays, model yacht racing is a highly developed adult occupation, as closely controlled by rules and regulations as Cows Week. This is just a flash from the championships at Gosport, where competitors were racing for national and international awards. Not much wind, I'm afraid, but the yachts are designed with mathematical precision to make the best use of the merest puff. They're not replicas of full-size yachts, but miniature racing boats in their own right. Incidentally, that well-known sailing enthusiast Prince Philip is patron of the association. Now, from the other end of the telescope, a youngster whose hobby is trying to keep up with the grown-ups. Lesley Hansdon is only 3 years old, but she's already able to drive her miniature racing car at speeds up to 30 miles an hour. The circuit is the lawn of her parents' home in Berkshire. The car was built by Dad, who was a motor mechanic and a stock car enthusiast. He hopes Lesley will eventually be a stock car driver. If she improves at the rate she's going, she'll be a champion before she's old enough to pass her test.